Hi, we hope that you enjoyed our Christmas Advent Calendar. As part of the event, we've planned out a series of videos on the best practices when using Kizeo Forms, which will be released as part of our Christmas Advent event. So without further ado, let's have a look at our first video, which is going to focus on the online platform and specifically the creation and configuration of your forms. We've broken down our tips into 3 helpful sections. Number 1, protect your data. Number 2, optimize your forms to save time. And 3, simplify the processing of your data. Let's start by having a look at the back office.
There are some starting points when using the online platform. For example, you want to ensure that you are saving your work regularly to avoid losing any work you have done on your form. If you are disconnected for any unexpected reason, close the tab and log in again on a new tab. Regarding tabs, we advise not to work on more than one tab at a time. This is because when you save your work on one tab, it won't update on the second one. So you're at risk of losing your work if you save on the wrong tab and then update it. When you log in, always keep an eye on the license to user ratio on the dashboard and consider the end date of your contract. You want to ensure that your number of users does not exceed the number of licenses you have on your account. Tip number 2, the impacts of a modification. Whenever you decide to modify or change the framework of one of your forms, please remember to consider the effects on your existing data history. We suggest that rather than deleting fields from an existing form, you should make that field invisible instead. Tip number 3, the separator field. This is a helpful field that you can use to manage and set bulk visibility conditions. The separator and fixed text fields can also be used to help section and structure your form. If you're interested in learning more on the separator field, we will be releasing a separate video tutorial on the separator field that includes a more in-depth overview of the field and how to use it. Tip number 4, the choice field. The choice field enables the app user to have a direct preview of a list on their mobile device. This is very useful for surveys, questionnaires, and for short choice lists. A choice list can either be single, multiple, or ranked. At first glance, the choice field works as a list field, with the additional function of being able to rank the choices, the ability to view the choice on the device, and additionally include icons with your choice of options. By having different displays, this allows you to have more freedom in your choice of responses. To help with better management of your tags, you can also code both your choice and your list fields. Tip number 5. Name the tags. One helpful tip is that you're able to edit the name of your tags. If you name your tags in a pragmatic manner before saving it and then renaming your fields, it will make things easier to see which tags are related to certain fields. You'll also find you are unable to have any duplicate tags, as Kizeo Forms will automatically adjust the tag name to the next in sequence, just like this. Tip number 6. The table element. You can use the table element to automate the repetition of a well-defined sequence. This will help you to reduce the number of fields on your form and be able to easily replicate a sequence. If you want, you can also define a maximum or minimum number of entries required. Retrieve references from multiple choice lists with the table element also. Tip number 7. Automatic processing in capitals. You can actually automatically capitalize your writing via an input field or text area by setting the option within the field options. You can also either select no capitalization, first letter of each word, all in capital letters, or at the beginning of a sentence.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at support@kizeo.com, and happy holidays.